Hello again. So this time I'm going to be going over exercise 6-2, enhance the future value application. So got the grading criteria open again. So first things first, it's asking did I comment out the return, and then variable, did I add the new future variable. So I'm going to go over these first. So here you can see in the function future value where you find where you calculate the future value. I did indeed. I commented out the initial return future value that was on there, and then it asks to incorporate that new future value variable. So here I declare that variable as a decimal, and then in the applicable portions of this for loop, I got the new future value here and here, and then I returned the new future value. And then event handler to clear all boxes, and then set the mouse hover, which is also a part of that, so I'll go over these two next. There it is. So right here for the clear all boxes event and event handler, whenever the person, like whoever the user is, double clicks in the form, it's going to set the text box monthly investment, the interest rate text box, years text box, and the future value text box. All those text boxes are going to be set just to nothing. It's going to clear them essentially. And then also if the user hovers the mouse over the text box future value, it'll also do the same thing. So, oh, wrong thing. There's that. And then the yearly interest rate text box, set the value to 12 in the event handler. So we go back to that. Down here at the bottom, so whenever the user double clicks on the text box interest rate, it's going to set the value 12 in that text box. So it's a string of 12. No, excuse me. So let me go back to that. I'm going to run it and kind of just go through these to show that it's working as it should and following this criteria. Okay. So here we are. If I put, for example, a monthly interest rate, whoa, that's not what I wanted, of 100, I'd like that solid number, and go to the yearly interest rate of, let's say, 15, and then did 1 year, and I hit enter. As you can see, changing that that variable and whatnot and having it return it, it's all working, and we're still getting an actual future value. As you can see there, by me hovering over future value, it just set everything, it cleared all the boxes. So another example, let's do like 200, interest rate of 11. We'll do 1 year, hit enter. It's going to give us an applicable future value, and if I double click inside the form, what's going on here? There we go. There we go. It's going to clear all the boxes. And I'm trying, what was the other thing? Oh yeah, it was so you double click the interest rate text box. I need that guy. There we go. So if I were to double click this box, it gives us that 12. So that is the exercise 6-2 for Unit 3. That was all the criteria. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, thank you.